Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem having been chosen from the same book Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, a proton with rest energy of 938 million electron volt has a total energy of 1400 million electron volt. What is its speed? This is part A, and part B is what is its momentum. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out two things. Number one, speed. Number two, momentum. Okay, a proton with rest energy of 938 million electron volt has a total energy of 1400 million electron volt. Part A, what is its speed? Part B, what is its momentum? We have to find out two things, speed and momentum. In order to solve this problem, we are going to take resort to take help from several snapshots which will provide us the basic philosophy regarding the solution of this problem. Okay, in the first snapshot we have defined Lorentz factor. Okay, Lorentz factor gamma is equal to 1 over under root 1 minus u square over c square, where u is the speed of one frame of reference relative to another, while c is the speed of light in vacuum. In our next snapshot, we are going to describe or explain total energy of a particle. Okay, mathematically. Okay, the total energy E of a particle is given by E equal to mc square over 1 minus u square over c square under root. This alternatively becomes equal to gamma mc square. In the next snapshot, we are going to describe kinetic energy of a particle mathematically. Okay, the relativistic expression for the kinetic energy of a particle is k equal to mc square over 1 minus u square over c square under root minus mc square. This alternatively becomes equal to gamma minus 1 into mc square. In our next snapshot, we have defined relativistic momentum mathematically. Okay, so relativistic momentum P is equal to mu over 1 minus u square over c square under root. In next part, we are going to describe a relation for total energy, momentum and rest energy. Okay, E square is equal to P square c square plus mc square whole square. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem. First we take this last snapshot. Okay, we are going to apply last snapshot. Okay, E square equal to PC whole square plus MC square whole square. This implies that in place of P, we have used the value 1400 million electron volt, which is provided in the statement. Okay, this is equal to, this implies that in place of E we have used its value, while in place of PC we have not used any value. It is still as it is. Okay, so 1400 million electron volt whole square is equal to PC whole square plus 938 million electron volt whole square. What is this? This is the value of mc square, which is provided in the statement. Okay, now from this expression we will take PC whole square on one side, and hence mc square whole square will be shifted to other side of equality and it will be subtracted from E square. Okay, so this implies that PC whole square becomes equal to 1964 times 0 million electron volt square minus 879,844 million electron volt square. Okay, what is this? This is, dear students, Square of 1400 becomes equal to 196 into 4 times 0, while square of 938 becomes equal to 879844. Okay, so one figure will be subtracted because after being shifted to other side of equality it will become minus negative. Okay, this implies that PC square becomes equal to 1080156 million electron volt square. Taking under root on both sides, PC will become equal to 1039.3 million electron volt. Okay, that is to say under root of 1080,156 will become equal to 1039.3, while under root of million electron volt whole square will become simply million electron volt, and similarly under root of PC whole square will become simply PC. Okay, from here P will be equal to 1039.3 million electron volt over C. Okay, that is to say C will be shifted on other side of equality, and C, which is primarily being multiplied with P, will be divided on other side of equality. Okay, now we are using this expression. Okay, that is energy is equal to total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus rest energy, rest mass energy, E equal to K plus mc square. This is alternatively equal to mc square over 1 minus u square over c square under root. Okay, here in place of E we have used its value, that is 1400 million electron volt. Moreover, in place of mc square we are using its alternate value, that is 938 million electron volt. Okay, however we have not disturbed the factor in the denominator, that is Lorentz factor. Okay, Lorentz factor is still as it is, that is 1 minus u square over c square. Now in the next step what we have done, we have shifted Lorentz factor on other side of equality. So Lorentz factor which is in the denominator on right hand side will become in the numerator on left hand side. Similarly 1400 million electron volt which is in the numerator on left side will become in the denominator on right hand side. Okay, so under root 1 minus u square over c square becomes equal to 938 million electron volt over 1400 million electron volt. Okay, after simplification this term will become equal to 0.67. Now what we are going to do, we are taking square on both sides. Okay, when we take square on both sides, then 1 minus u square over c square under root will be cancelled and it will become simply 1 minus u square over c square, and square of 0.67 becomes equal to 0.4489. Okay, that is to say when we multiply 0.67 with another 0.67 we get 0.4489. Okay, from here what we have done, we have shifted u square over c square on other side of equality, due to which it has become plus, while 0.4489 will be shifted on other side of equality and it will become minus. Okay, so u square over c square becomes equal to 1 minus 0.4489. This implies that u square over c square becomes equal to 0.5511. Okay, quite obvious. When 0.4489 is being subtracted from 1, it becomes equal to 0.5511. This implies that from here u square will become equal to 0.511 c square, because c square is being divided on left hand side but it will be multiplied on right hand side after being shifted on other side of equality. Okay, next we will take under root on both sides, and hence our u will become equal to 0.74 c, where c is speed of light. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.